Right now you'll discover how the permission toggles work inside PromptROI. From the dashboard, click on Settings. Then click White Label. Next, click on the Customize tab. And you'll default to permissions. If you turn on this first toggle, your profile will be listed on the public marketplace. So with it off, you'll maintain your anonymity from the public experts. To turn a permission on or off, just simply click this little toggle right here. As you can see, it moves to the right and you'll see the purple color indicating that this permission is activated. The next permission toggle, when turned on, will show your prompts, run times. In the beginning, it's probably a good idea to keep this turned off until your store has more activity. Next, you can turn on the toggle to show a welcome video to people when they sign up for your marketplace. If you want, turn this on and add a welcome video in the video section of these settings. Want to be notified by email when someone buys access to one of your prompts? Simply toggle this permission on and those emails will start flowing to you right away. Turn this toggle on if you want to enable and show your subscription plans to users of your white label marketplace. This means they can sign up, pay you and start using your prompts all without your help. The final toggle here, when turned on, will hide your prompt videos from non-super users or subscribers. And that's it for this video. Now you know how to manage the permission toggles to gain greater control over your experience with PromptROI.